one important question that comes from Outlook, Microsoft Outlook every year of 16 marks for your exam, that is BCSL 013 lab. Okay, so you have to understand how you can work in Outlook. So that is a software of Microsoft. So let me just solve this question which written over here. See, do the following task in Outlook. Okay, so first let us open Outlook. So this is the Outlook interface, right? So in the Outlook interface, here I am asked to create a contact list, modify to existing one, right, and add a new contact in the contact list. So this is 5A question. So how can we just create a contact list? To create a contact list, you can see we have this option, contact, at our left bottom panel, left side bottom panel. This is called navigation bar. Here in this position we can see the contact. I will just click here, contact, right? So this many number of contact we have, right? So you can see this is a contact, another contact, 3 contact, but this is a group. So you can see it is written over here, Yahoo group. So a group that has been created. So I will delete this group. So I have deleted the group, right? So 3 contact I have. So I will create a new contact first. How can I create a new contact? Okay, so this is the contact, and to create a new contact we can select this option under home, new item. So under the new item we can just click to this contact, right? Home, new item, contact. Now you can see a form appear. In this form you have to provide the name of the person, with whom you want to interact. Okay, so a contact person name. So let me give a name as Ratul Haldar. So a name that I have given, Ratul Haldar, and some more detail that could be provided. Email address, I will provide an email address. Let's say Haldar @YAHOO.com. Haldar @YAHOO.com. So you can also provide this further detail, but for this time being I am not going to add further information. You can provide the information if required. So I just have provided the name, that is Ratul Haldar, and the email address. And to save this contact, what you need to do, see, we have an option over here, save and close. So I will just click this option, right? Now you can see, so Ratul Haldar, and the email ID of Ratul Haldar is haldar@yahoo.com. So previously we had 3 contact, but now this new contact that has been added. So the question was that here, create a contact list, modify to existing one, and add a new contact in the contact list, right? So we have 4 contact, right? 4 contact. Now if we want to create a group, then you can see new contact group. From here also you can go to this option, that contact group. So how can we create a contact group? So for that we have to first write a group name. So you can see contact group. Let me write a group name. So the group name will be YAHOO, Yahoo. Okay, the group name will be Yahoo. It is written over here. Write all the steps to form a Yahoo group. So the group name will be Yahoo. Fine. Now save and close. Fine. So group has been saved. So Yahoo group, this is the group. The group is empty. Now inside the group we have to add, right? We have to add member. So see, we have an option over here, add member. So under the add member option we can see 3 further option. Under the add member option we have further 3 options. The first option is from Outlook contact, from address book, new email contact. From Outlook contact means the contacts which we already have in this particular Outlook, right? And from address book means from whatever we have created the contact, those contact has already been saved in the address book. So from those contact we can add to this newly created group. And this one, that means you are going to create a new member. So I have selected the last option, that means add new member. So let me add a new member. Member name will be Jivoni Sengupta, right? Email ID Sengupta @ So we have given name and email address. Now let us click OK. Fine. One member I have already added, that is new member. You can go further and add member to it, right? So another new member you can add by this option, that is new email contact. And if you want to add member from the existing contact list, so we can either choose this one or this one. From these 2 options we can choose either of these options, right? From Outlook contact or from address book. Let me first check this one, from Outlook contact. So in my Outlook we already have this many number of options, right? So let me add this option, Rama Sen, previously added to our contact list. From there I will add it over here. How to add? How can we add? Fine. So double clicked. So I have just clicked twice over the name. Now you can see the member in the member list, it has been added. Now I will click OK. Fine. So now I will go this add member again, and I will choose the second option, from address book. So this contact already has been saved in my address book. All the contacts have been saved, right? Have been saved in my address book. So let me add this one, Ratul Sen. Okay. If I want to add another one, I can add this one, Sam Sen. Let me add Surjan Ghosh. Fine. So I have added 5 member in my newly group, right? So if I want to add another new member, so I can just select here this option, a new email contact. Let me write the name, Biswanda. So new name, right? So you can see. Now I will just save and close. So you can see in my contact list I have 6 member along with a group. So this is contact list where I have 6 member and a group, and in this group, this is written over here, group. In this group I have all the 6 member, right? Check it over here. So A and B, that has been solved. Now let us do this one, add a new appointment to your calendar. Add a new appointment to your calendar. So in this navigation bar you can see calendar is over here. At your left bottom, in the second option we have got the calendar. So now go to the calendar option. So this is the calendar option I have selected. Now I will go here, not week, monthly, right? So this is day, this is worksheet, right? Weekly and monthly. So this is monthly, right? Now I want to create an appointment. So appointment means, you know what is the meaning of appointment. So you have a meeting with someone on a given date, right? That means you already have a appointment with some other person on a given date that you want to add in this calendar. So how can you add a date of appointment in the calendar? So today is 9th. Today is 9th, right? So let me delete this this one. So I deleted this one existing appointment which was there, that I have deleted. Now you can see this is a blank calendar. So how can we get this option? Under home, month. First you have to click here, calendar, then this monthly chart. So we can see all the days of this month, right? Monthly chart for this particular month. So this is April 2021. So it is not 21, it is actually 22. So let us move to April 2022, right? So April 2022. Now today is 9th. So you can see this yellow mark because today is 9th. This 9th box, this particular box is highlighted. So assume on the Monday, that is 11th, we have an appointment with some person. So first I will go and click here, 11, right? That is on Monday 11th of April 2022. On that date we have an appointment with a person. So now after selecting here, I will go to this menu. See, under home, new appointment. So in this particular date, that is Monday, April 11, 2022. That means 11th of April 2022. On that particular day, we have an appointment with a person. So let me write the name of the subject. So what could be the name of the subject? So first decide what appointment you have. So it could be any appointment. You can visit a doctor, or you can go for a tuition class, or you can take your parent to doctor, or you might be go for a meeting with your friend, a very old friend. Okay, so just write here visit to doctor. So this is the appointment. We visit to doctor. Subject is visit to doctor. On that particular day, we already have set a appointment with the doctor, right? Fine. Location, in which location we are going to have the appointment. So it could be at the doctor chamber only. So doctor chamber might be available in Kolkata or any other place. You can give a place. Let me write the place. Uttarpara Hooghly. So doctor chamber is at Uttarpara Hooghly. So the subject is visit to doctor, and the doctor is at Uttarpara Hooghly. So we have to reach there. The time of the appointment, starting time. So let us give a starting time, say 10 a.m. and ending time, let us give 11, 1 hour appointment with the doctor. That is enough. 1 hour of appointment could be enough, more than enough. Fine. Okay, so we have set a appointment, we have added appointment subject, location of the appointment, and also the timing. Another thing that is important, reminder, right? So how can you remember the thing? So somebody need to give you reminder, right? So we have an option over here, see, reminder. So I will just use the option reminder. So before 15 minutes somebody will give you notification, so that you can remember that you have an appointment. So you have to set the reminder, say before 1 hour or before 30 minutes. So how long before somebody need to give you the reminder? How long before somebody need to notify you that you have an appointment, that you have to set from here? So let me set 30 minutes. So 30 minutes before somebody need to remind me, a notification should remind me that we have an appointment with the doctor at Uttapara Hooghly at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So on 9:30 I need to have that reminder message. So that is why I have just selected 30 minutes, right? That means 30 minutes before 10 a.m. That means at 9:30 a.m. a message will appear on my desktop when I will be notified that we have a meeting with the doctor. Doctor is available at Uttapara Hooghly, where we need to reach at 10 a.m. right? And the meeting will be continued till 11 a.m. right? So now we have applied and set a appointment. Now we have to save and close. Fine. Now, so this thing has been done. You can add appointment to the calendar. Now let's see this one. Set up an alert on the desktop to notify whenever an email arrives in your email box from the university. So whenever someone will send you mail, a notification should appear at your desktop, so that you will be notified that an email has arrived at your mailbox. So how can you set that? So here we have an option here. See, under the file we have option, under the file option, right? And in this option we can go through here task, right? Let us see mail. So you can see over here in the option mail, right? Mail, message arrival, right? Now enable display a desktop alert. So desktop alert setting. So just you have to untick this. When new message arrive, so you have to untick display a desktop alert, and you can see desktop alert settings. How long should the desktop alert appear? So you can increase and decrease that, how long. If you want this desktop alert to be appeared for 24 seconds, then you can increase the time. If you want that the desktop alert will appear for minimum number of seconds, then you can reduce the bar, pull the bar forward, or you can pull the bar right side to increase the timing of the desktop alert. Here also transparency. So if you want the alert should be clear, you can just move the bar to the clear. If you want the alert which will appear to be very transparent, very light faded, light color, should not be very clear, then you can reduce the transparency and you can just drag the bar to the left side, that means solid, right? So let's see how will it appear. Can you see here? See, right? This is the transparency, and we can see how long this is shown. This will be shown for 24 long seconds. After that that alert will disappear, right? If you make it solid, then see, if you make it clear, then that will be not seen. Clear, that means 80% transparent, right? Okay, now you can see how this thing will appear. Okay, so whenever you will be given a mail, that time a message will appear, right? Now okay, there are also many options, but so we have successfully solved this question. Okay, so this types of question might be coming at your exam, so I hope you have understood. Don't give blank page. Whatever you will execute, you have to write down the steps. One thing is clear, whatever you will execute, you have to write down the steps. Okay, if by any chance you can't execute the practical properly, don't forget to write the steps. Okay, so whatever you remember, if your solution is not matches with the question, then also write something. Okay, then also write something in your paper, in your answer sheet. Write some steps in case if you think the solution may not match with the exact question what they have asked you for. If the solution which you are writing may not matches 100% with the question, then also write all the steps which may not be accurate but may be close to the question. Then also you will get step marking. You will get marks on step marking, so that you can qualify the pass mark, qualify the exam with the pass mark, right? So thank you for watching.